Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, let's take a look again on the gold market. As you can see that gold market is more aiming on a downward continuation compared to the Forex. So we're currently mostly calling flat around the previous lows, while on the gold market we see that actually downward action that we talked about recently has happened. At the same time, and in general, it's now no questions that theoretically market has to reach these lows, taking out the stops below it and complete the 1672 targets, which is actually monthly OP, as we discussed many times already here. But at the same time, on the hourly chart, performance was a bit different. So if we were watching and have discussed the possible head and shoulders pattern, but action on the hourly chart was straightforward. So market just dropped, showing the fast acceleration, and that's why the patterns that might be formed here is a bit different right now. So on the 4 time frame chart, we suggest that this potentially might be the butterfly, because butterfly happens very often when the market has targets slightly below the lows, because butterfly is logical and very comfortable pattern to complete, to finalize some action. So first is the OP here, just below the market, this local ABCD, but it's also 1672, which is our major target, and currently butterfly is enveloped this 1672 target, which stands right between the two different targets, 78 and 65, with this butterfly. So it means that in the nearest few hours we probably could consider possible pullback, or even today's sessions might be the pullback to some level, and then we hope that it will be finally completion of the targets that we have on the gold market, with this forming of the right wing. So maybe some different patterns will be formed. Sometimes it could be the 3 drive, but butterflies happens a bit more oftener than the 3 drive pattern. So let's see. Anyway, currently we're not considering taking the short position immediately and watching for the pullback, because yesterday, as you could see here, we thought about the hand and shoulders, but you can see here it was just a straightforward downward breakout, which makes us think about different patterns. At the same time, take a look that with this downside breakout, market was able to save and keep untouched the previous lows, which makes potential for the butterfly. So for position taking, it is two levels are interesting. So first one is around 1705, 1707, just because this is confidence, and take a look at this previous natural support resistance line. So now it has been broken down. It means that here it will work like the resistance right now. And next level is the 1713. So if market intends to form the butterfly, it's probably, well, these two levels are most probable for possible top of the right wing. That's actually what we intend to keep an eye on today. So I do not see any big reasons for it taking the long position by far. For the short position, we should be a bit patient and trying to get as better price as we could. Watching first for 1706, maybe if we get lucky we could get even deeper retracement that led us to enter an even better price. So this is what we think might happen on the gold market and what we intend to keep an eye on.